Now we will do true wind and apparent wind. Now, what is the definition of true wind? It is the wind we experience on the ship when the ship is stopped. And apparent wind is the wind we experience on ship when the ship is moving. So let's say there is true wind is zero. Okay, 0 kilometers per hour. Ship is stopped. So apparent wind will also become zero. Now the ship starts moving in this direction, north direction, at 10 knots, and let's say we have true wind like this going to south, coming from north going to south at zero speed. Ship speed 10 knots, true wind is zero. So apparent wind will be how much? What is the wind you will experience on ship? It will be 10 knots, and its direction will be northerly, coming from north going to south. And suppose true wind is 10 knots and ship speed like this is 10 knots. So apparent wind will be 10 plus 10, 20. And if you have wind from the stern, okay, 10 knots, and the ship is stopped. True wind 10 knots from the stern, ship is stopped. So apparent wind will be also 10 in this direction, south, from south to north. And now if the ship is moving at a speed of 10 knots, true wind is also 10 knots like this. So what will be the apparent wind? Apparent wind will be 10 minus 10, 0. Now suppose true wind is like this at 10 knots, northerly, coming from north going to south. Ship speed is 10 knots. Or let us change it. Ship speed is 10 knots and true wind is it is at an angle of, you can say like this, easterly, coming from east going to west, easterly. Ship is going at 10 knots. True wind is 10 knots easterly, going from east to west. So what is the direction of, approximate direction of apparent wind? True wind is like this, ship is going like this. So it will be the resultant of these two. So it will be somewhere, direction will be like this, apparent wind. This is approximately northeast, coming from northeast going to southwest. So it is possible to calculate true wind or apparent wind if you know the ship speed by a triangle known as OAT triangle. If you know two parameters like apparent wind and true wind, you can calculate the speed of the ship. If you know the speed of the ship and true wind, you can calculate apparent wind. And if you know the ship speed and apparent wind, you can calculate true wind. So what is the wind we write in our logbooks? That is always true wind. And how will you estimate what is the true wind on the ship? There are one or two methods. If it is daylight, then you can see the condition of the sea and you can get an idea of true wind. But if it is darkness and if you have an anemometer, anemometer is fixed on the top part of the ship. It is just like a fan which is moving at an RPM, and that RPM is indicated on the bridge. So you get the direction as well as the speed of apparent wind. So if you know the apparent wind, you know the ship speed, it is night time, then you can calculate true wind because you have to write the direction of the true wind and the force of the true wind in the ship's logbook.